So guys, new update came from YouTube. Recently we got one mail. What is the update coming to September from YouTube changes? What is happening for the particular changes on YouTube channel? So everyone who maintain the YouTube channel, so what are the updates they coming to YouTube channel? So how is it can happening? So that all will be checking for in the mail of YouTube option. So YouTube sending one mail in the morning's time. So they're sending for about upcoming changes to community contribution. What is upcoming changes? We are writing let know about that September 28, 2020. You will be no longer to able to use the community contribution feature. So coming to this channel, what is the community contribution? So they give by here is option. So if your question will be there, so what are the update will be in the future? Select here option. We can go to in this. So what are the option will be here? This will be you can showing for community contribution option. So they will check for your particular the channel option will be here. So just I'm open for community contribution. So here we will check in channel. Go to your channel option in this setting. So uploading time you are give the subtitle option is there near your channel. Or subtitle nothing but suppose you are speaking something Telugu, Hindi, English, they are showing for subtitle option. We want English everything. They give subtitle will be using community contribution. This will be no longer available by September 20th onwards. That mean by viewers report a problem with the community contribution feature, including spam, abuse, and low quality submission. As a result, the feature rarely uses with the less than 0.01% of the channels. The purpose of the YouTube commitment helping the create reach a wide audience and improving accessibility for everyone. So here, remember, created uploaded caption, automatic caption provided by the YouTube, caption provided by the community, also known as a community contribution. So you have until 9/28 to publish your community contribution before they are removed. After this date, the future will be no longer available on your particular channel. Other publishing community captions track will still be accessible. What does that mean by if we are writing for subtitle CC, this will be help for the particular videos. A simple example, people watching my video in YouTube channel, they give some title will be in the particular option will be here. What is the subtitle nothing but Hindi, English, everything will be here. So the subtitle will be given by the community standards here. This all will be given by the way in the particular setting option, upload the video. The option name is called, here will be community contribution. There's only two options, on and off. This is no longer available by the 20th September onwards. You have one month more time will be there. You can use this option. What is the reason? Contribution feature including spam, abuse, and low quality submissions. As a result, the feature is rarely used with the less than 0.01% of the channels. Having publishing community caption showing a less than 0.2 of watch time. In this last month, instead of creators are using YouTube alternative captioning tools. So that is the reason they remove that option for the YouTube community contributor feature. The main future purpose of you can give subtitle based on your language, you will be selection for the particular video. Subtitle CC. They give automated by YouTube. No worry about that. This option will be removed by no longer available by when September 28th onwards. This future keep it in mind. Already one option will removed. Which one? Video poll removed by the video option for the using card option. Now second update will be came to market from YouTube. They remove for automatic title showing to the YouTube video. They remove option given by the YouTube community contribution feature. The reason is called, you can read here. People using for less than, they're writing their own content from the subtitle purpose. Where they're using for each and every we can using purpose, they're using own subtitles. When simple, we can click the video option. In this video, We click for more option. Here is the option will be here. English by YouTube automatically. How we can upload automatically based on the community contribution. This future no longer available by the YouTube September 20th onwards. This update you have to keep it in mind to work on the SEO optimize on the particular title purpose on the particular YouTube channel option. Use it. Any doubts will be needed. Please ask me in the my particular channel option.